In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to analyze molecular dynamics simulation trajectories using the AstraBioSuite Analysis Module by first opening the Trajectory Analysis Module from the Tools menu and launching the MD Analysis interface, which provides an integrated environment to compute and visualize key structural and dynamic properties from simulation trajectories. Once the module is opened, load your simulation files by selecting the trajectory file, typically in XDC format, along with the corresponding topology files such as GRO or GPR, as these are essential for reconstructing the molecular system and ensuring accurate analysis. AstraBioSuite supports a wide range of fundamental trajectory analyses, including RMSD, RMSF, hydrogen bond analysis, protein ligand hydrogen bonds, and solvent accessible surface area, and for protein ligand complex simulations it also enables estimation of binding energies using MMPBSA calculations. After selecting the desired analyses, run the calculations, and AstraBioSuite will process the trajectory to generate plots and output files for each selected metric, which can be visualized directly within the module and exported as plots or raw data for further interpretation, reporting, or publication.